In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wix automations. Whether you're a seasoned Wix user or just starting out, automations can help streamline your workflow and enhance your website functionality without requiring any coding expertise. Let's dive in and take a walk through the process. First things first, make your way to Wix.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do so by entering your credentials. This step is pretty straightforward, but keep your login information secure as you proceed. Once you're logged in, you'll want to click on the Wix.com logo or the menu option labeled Website Builder. It's here where you can create a free website in mere minutes or access your existing projects. What you'll see is a dashboard displaying all the sites you've built. This is where all your creativity comes to life. Now take a moment to browse through your projects. Select a site you want to enhance with automation, and click on Select and Edit Site. This will bring you to the website editor where you can manage every aspect of your site. You'll notice a search box in the editor dashboard. Type in Automation to filter through your settings. Click on Automations once it appears in your search results. Automations within Wix are a powerful tool designed to automatically conduct a task or a series of tasks. They're ideal for sending follow-up emails, adding tags to customers, or notifying team members, among other functions. When you navigate to this area, you'll find the option to create a new automation. Click on this option to open your canvas for creating these automated sequences. With Wix automations, you can choose a trigger, an event that sets off the automation. This could be a site visitor subscribing to your newsletter or making a purchase, for example. Once you've selected your trigger, click on Setup to dive into the specifics. Here, you'll need to define the action that will be activated by the trigger. This is where the magic happens. Actions can range from sending a thank you email to updating your site's database, all decided by you according to your site's needs. After selecting your desired action, make sure to save your automation. Completing this process successfully ensures that from now on, these chosen actions will occur automatically, saving you time and effort. Remember, these automations can always be edited should your needs change. If there's something you didn't quite get right, or if you wish to upgrade the interaction you offer through automations, simply revisit it through your dashboard. Congratulations! You've just set up your first automation in Wix. This means your website is now working even harder for you, all thanks to a few simple steps. Keep exploring the possibilities with Wix automations. They're designed to make your life easier and help your site run more smoothly, allowing you to focus on what really matters.